welcome back. This is an opportunity of a lifetime to be invited to the Mobile One Racing with the Giants special that is being presented by Mobile One down in Brooklyn on Oak Street today, down by the Skyline Drive. I have been invited by some of my friends in the Porsche world to participate, and I'm looking forward to this special event. So stay tuned, because I'm about to drive this car right now in the middle of traffic, in the middle of, basically gridlock traffic in New York, to make this event on time. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And Tom just reached 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to his channel if you have not yet done so. Yes. Alright guys, welcome back. We have made it to Greenpoint, where the sun is setting over the horizon, well, the Manhattan skyline, and we're looking at a bunch of great cars, including this beautiful 930 Turbo with a G50 transmission, owned by Stray Dog Classics, and we have this beautiful GT4 RS, just an absolute monster of a vehicle with the visible engine compartment. Let's take a look at this engine compartment once again. Absolutely incredible. And of course, and these side intakes where the windows would normally reside. These small details which add to the drama and add to the theater of what makes a car really perform really well. And we have this beautiful 964 and a beautiful 993, as well as a modern Targa, and a bunch of food trucks. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this has been an amazing event so far. The movie hasn't even started yet, but the likes of Patrick Long are here, Spike Ferriston, some of the names that you are familiar with in the Porsche world are here, and we're here for a movie premiere from Mobile One, and we have some of the greatest cars that have ever been assembled from Porsche all in one location, and it's really consisting of all the people within the Porsche community. So let's take a look at some of the interviews you could see that are taking place in the distance, some of the movie premiere highlights, everything that you would warrant from a proper film premiere. But let's take a look at this engine compartment once again. Absolutely incredible. And this is the antiquated version of it, but it's still absolutely perfect. Taking a look at some 930 stickers that will absolutely target your sense of humor. The Porsche Classic Radio with all the right touches all around the way. Always get a fire extinguisher because, these things can be a little bit hairy on the turns and a little bit dangerous, but these things are absolutely incredible. So let's take a look at other cars in the distance. All right, so one of my favorite cars is this 968, finished in black. It is a beautiful car. And it is a little bit different than the 944 because of the noticeable difference from the taillights. You see that these taillights are a little bit more refined and a little bit more elegant, and it was the final iteration of the 968 before they went to the mid-engine Boxster. But let's take a look at the 944. So the 944 is essentially the same car, but if we take a look at these taillights, these are the 1980s headlights, and these are really, really cool because they just speak to Volkswagen's influence on the car, as well as the ability to cut costs in certain locations, because the 944 was their entry-level model. And actually the way that they are in line is the order of hierarchy. We have the 944, we have the Carrera 911, and right in front we have the 930 Turbo, which was the top of the line in this era. The only car that's missing is the Porsche 959. But besides that, we have a lot of familiar shapes. So this is a newer version of that car, and this is a 997, one of the final water-cooled cars that are available in this size. But yeah, there's something for everybody here. If you are a Porsche fanatic like myself, we have the 997.1, we have a 996, we have another 996 Cabriolet, a 996, well, this is a 997 Cabriolet, and this is a 996 Cabriolet. And we have, of course, the beautiful Speedster and that gorgeous carmine red Cayenne.
Like it? Man, it would.
And sometimes you can make all sorts of attempts you want. It works. I drew the night 3 stints in a row, another 3 stints, and then through every row.
I think that the rules and regulations and the competition of Porsche going after races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans bred cars and ideas like this 930 Turbo. The art and enjoyment of driving turbo cars on roads like Mulholland Highway, it's so rewarding because it makes so much power down low. It's very linear in how when it builds boost and it